The COVID-19 pandemic, which has spread out of control and has claimed more than 750,000 lives, has created a challenging and dangerous new frontier for journalists. When the world knew very little about this rampant killer, the International Center for Journalists stepped up, leading the way for reporters around the world to produce high-quality stories. As soon as the scope of the pandemic became clear, ICFJ launched the Global Health Crisis Reporting Forum to bring desperately needed health expertise and knowledgeable sources to reporters around the world. ICFJ launched webinars, first in English.
Only a level of immunity in the population will keep the spread down to a reasonable level.
Then in Arabic, Portuguese, French, and Spanish. Nearly 8,000 journalists have participated. Thousands more are watching the webinars on YouTube.
This is Darling Clinic on 107.3 Darling FM. You are welcome.
Chidera Rose Camille Anake hosts a radio show in Nigeria.
Experts say we are already experiencing community transmission.
Through the forum, Anake was able to talk to experts around the world to understand how other countries are combating COVID.
It gave me a global perspective, and my listeners a global perspective of how other countries were handling the COVID-19 pandemic.
In Cuba, where independent sources for news are rare, Elane Diaz and her team at Periodismo de Barrio relied on ICFJ's webinars to access specialized sources and ask questions.
We were able to ask questions and receive answers in real time. That improved our coverage a lot.
Gina Moore also relied on the forum when she wrote an article for The New Yorker showing how African nations are teaching the West how to fight the coronavirus.
There was a special attention to women experts and experts of color, not just the usual scientists that we call from all of the institutions in London, Washington, and New York.
To fill the need for reliable information, ICFJ's International Journalists Network also produced more than 350 tip sheets and reporting guides in multiple languages. The COVID-19 pandemic is the story of a lifetime for many journalists, and during the greatest health threat of this generation, ICFJ is giving journalists the tools they need to deliver stories that can save lives.